Hi, this is Pratap Manish, English language and personality development coach, and I am going to tell you that how to ask questions, how to form interrogative sentences. If you want to start a conversation, asking questions are one of the important things that is part of conversation. I am going to tell you some techniques to ask good questions. सबसे पहले आपको बता दें, questions are of two kinds, close-ended questions and open-ended questions. Close-ended questions वो होते हैं जिनके आंसर्स yes या no में होते हैं. Will you go to market? The answer is yes or no. Is he coming here? The answer is yes or no. Do you like sweets? The answer is yes or no. Can you describe me something about computers? This is descriptive answers. So long or open-ended answers. Similarly, there are where are you going? So this is not yes or no. You have to describe the place where you are going. How do you feel today? Why are you standing here? So these questions, they need long replies. I must give you a note here. Whenever you attend an interview, always answer in long. Yes or no will lead to rejection. So it is advised that you must use long answers, at least answers of 4 or 5 statements in an interview. Now let's come to the grammar section of asking questions. There is a pattern: auxiliary plus subject plus verb according to the auxiliary and then optional words and question mark. This is the normal pattern of questions. Do you like biscuits? Is he eating biscuits? Have you eaten biscuits? So according to the different tenses, continuous, simple present or perfect, we change different patterns and different auxiliary and the pattern changes. If you want to make your questions more polite, you want to make a request, simultaneously you want to ask questions, then you have to say, would you like to have some coffee? If you want to ask the wish of a person, you will say, will you join the party? Or shall I open the gate for you? So shall and will is used for asking the wish of the person. We can start an interrogative sentence with modals. Can you do that? Shall I do it for you? Will you join us? Should you do that? Asking the obligation or the responsibility. Similarly, need you do that or dare you do that? These are also interrogative models which can be used in interrogative sentences. Need I go to market? Need I help you? Need I assist you in this task? Need you study more? Need you join this institution? क्या ज़रूरत है आपको join करने की? Dare you talk to people? Dare you speak from stage? Dare you try recording your video? Dare you create a podcast? Dare you write a story? May is a modal which is asked for permission. May I come in, sir? May I go? So whenever you are asking permission from somebody senior, you must use may. Let me tell you, must is not used for making interrogative sentences. So there are some models which are not used for negative statements or sentences or clauses. Could you help me in doing this task? Notice this sentence. Could you help me in doing this task? This sentence is making a request and of course asking a polite ability of time or whatever the person has. So whenever you want to ask someone politely, then you can say, could you assist me in doing this task? Would you assist me in doing this task? This is a polite request, not asking the ability. So when you want to plead or make a request, directly ask by would. Or could I call upon the teacher here to guide us now as the practice session is over? तो जब आप अपनी हैसियत पूछ करके तब किसी को बुलाते हैं तो बोलते हैं could I call upon बोलते हैं. लेकिन जब आप सामने वाले से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे होते हैं तो डायरेक्टली वुड पर आते हैं. दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस. और यदि आप WH से शुरू करते हैं तो आप लॉन्ग आंसर चाहते हैं, जैसे why will I help you means I want some reasons that describe me some reasons that why will I help you. This is so whenever our question starts with WH words, why, where, how, which, तो ये सब लॉन्ग आंसर्स चाह रहे होते हैं. One point very important. You can make a question with affirmative sentence. Suppose I am going to market. Am not I? A question tag. So when you use question tag to affirmative sentence or negative statement, it becomes interrogative. Question tags are always opposite to the statement. Suppose a statement is negative, you are not going to market, then we will say, are you? Because it was already you are not going to market. So it will be are you? Question mark. This becomes a question. I am teaching English. Amn't I? You are learning English. Aren't you? You are not learning English properly. Are you? I hope you understand this concept. Have a great day.